Hello and welcome to Game Development with Python Pygame. This is the fourth part of our series. If you haven't watched the first three, make sure to check them out, link is in the description. And in this part I'll be adding limited ammo. I'll also be updating our HUD to state how much ammo we currently have. And also I'll be talking about why and why not reloading is suitable for our game type. So let's get right into it. Okay, so for the reloading, I've actually been trying different reloading and limited ammo methods to implement them in my game, and what I ended up with was basically this, just limited ammo. So you see we pick up each gun. One second, I'm gonna explain what these are later. Oops. We pick up different gun, we have respective amount of bullets, and if we shoot everything, one second here, we can't shoot anymore. So our bullets are gone, but we can change to another weapon and shoot from that. So that's how I decided to do it. And basically, why is this method? Well, the first thing actually is that I'm not skilled enough, and I've been trying to do the reloading method like in CSGO or Valorant games for like 2 days I think, and there was no progress, so I decided I just leave that alone and try a new method. And secondly, for these types of games, basically that reloading feature isn't any good, because zombies are constantly pushing you and you'll just find yourself reloading all the time. Because for example, if the pistol has a 12 bullet magazine, it's enough to basically kill just one zombie. See, I now have to reload, but zombie's still pushing me and I don't have any weapon for now, so that isn't good for these types of games, especially when we're gonna have a whole horde of zombies chasing you around. So that's why I chose this exact reloading or limited ammo method. Okay, so now when I wanted to add the basically limited ammo, I needed some images for my basically ammo that you can pick up. And I got this ammo box and these bullets images. These are really beautiful images. Link to which sources is gonna be down below. And basically, yeah, they both serve different functions. I'll talk about them in a bit later. So when I decided basically to make the limited ammo, what I did was I went ahead to my settings and added to each weapon ammo and max ammo, basically property to the dictionary. Ammo defines how much ammo does the weapon have when you pick it up, and max ammo defines how much ammo you can store at all in your weapon. So when you pick up these ammo boxes, how much they can give you the maximum amount. Different weapons have different max ammo and ammo, and basically that's how the settings works here. And also you shouldn't forget to add this into the item images, like the ammo box image and the bullets image. By the way, as always, these images are gonna be down below on my GitHub, so you can download them. And basically that's for the settings changes. What we do in the player sprite? Well, the first thing we add is self.ammo dictionary. It's basically the best thing to add a dictionary here, because we're gonna have again our weapon and the amount of bullets that we can basically have control over. It's choosing self weapon here because instead of just typing pistol and the ammo of the pistol, we're gonna type the type of the pistol, because as we move on, we're gonna have different types. They're gonna have different max bullets. Maybe we'll add something like a Deagle from CSGO, which has small amount of bullets but really powerful bullets, so it needs to have different properties. And then when we add this ammo dictionary, when we shoot, we need to subtract from that ammo dictionary a self.weapon. It's because whichever weapon we choose, we subtract that from that ammo amount, and we subtract 1 from it every time basically we shoot. And if you ask why there's only pistol here, one second, why only pistol is here, That's because in our main I've decided to change the update. It's somewhere here, yes. So when we pick up AK or saved off, we have a new line here, self.player.ammo.update. So we update our ammo dictionary in the player sprite, and we basically named it after the respective weapon we pick up, and give it the properties of that weapon's ammo. So when we pick up, we have this ammo to start with to shoot a weapon. Same here for the AK-47. And as I already said, in the shoot we subtract from, depends on which weapon. If it's P2K, saved off, AK-47, maybe later M4, we subtract 1 bullet every time we shoot. And now we need to know when we have 0 bullets and when we can or can't shoot. That's why there is this here. I modified our space pressing here. But firstly, before we go to that, I need to show you this. We have an empty list we defined in the init. We define self.gun keys in the list, and what it's gonna basically do is here we constantly basically get gun keys into a list. That's because when we have only one weapon, here for only a pistol, we have here P2K, this here checks to see shotgun, rifle, and basically pistol. So it has a rifle and shotgun and pistol, and if there is no rifle in this dictionary, it's gonna raise an error. And to keep us from creating those massive, incredibly huge try except things like I did here, I decided to just get the keys into a single list. Then when I press space, as you can see, we always have the pistol, so we just check if our weapon equals the pistol and the pistol's ammo equals more than 0, only then we can shoot. But to do it on a rifle and on a shotgun, we need to firstly check if the rifle is in this keys list here. That's because we basically need to know if we have the rifle yet, because if we don't have the rifle, this gonna raise an error, an exception. It's gonna be a key error, I believe, and we don't want it. So firstly we check if we have a rifle, and then we check if we are running with a rifle in our hands right now, and the ammo of this rifle is more than 0, only then we can shoot. If it's less, we can't, obviously. And the same here for the shotgun. And that's basically for the everything that you need to change in the player's class. As you can see, I was printing out this to just keep track of how the development goes on. And now for our ammo boxes and bullets. Well, I firstly will show you. As you can see, we got ammo boxes here. I just put a lot of them here just to test it. And here we've got our bullets just lying around. So that's how it looks like. And by the way, when you do all of that, you shouldn't just forget to change all of your respective names in the tiled program you use. For example, you call this ammo box, so the ammo box will spawn bullets, so the bullets will spawn, and respective basically names, so they will work. Otherwise they won't work whatsoever. You need to keep that in mind. Okay, so what do these things do? Well, firstly, to pick them up, we need to add them here in a list, ammo box and bullets. That's just obvious. Every item we add it into this list. And now it becomes interesting. I added these two pretty big if clauses, and how does it work? Well, these bullets work like it adds bullets only to the respective weapon you currently carry. So if you carry a rifle, it's gonna only add bullets to the rifle, and so on. This thing adds bullets to all of your weapons, respectively depending on their ammo and max ammo values. So how it's written? For example, for bullets, we check if our hit type is bullets. Then we check if our current weapon we're holding ammo is less than the max ammo this weapon can hold, because only that we will be able to pick them up because if it's more, then just like our ammo's already full, we can't get more ammo because it's already bigger than the max ammo. Then we basically kill this image, and then we, to the weapon we're carrying, to its ammo, we add up its respective ammo in the weapons dictionary divided by 2, because it's just like a small pile of bullets, it can't do much. And I did this just like, instead of just writing some number here, I did this because for a rifle has more bullets than a shotgun, and for example adding 50 bullets to a rifle and 50 bullets to the shotgun, it's different because shotgun is much more effective. With 50 rifle bullets you can kill like 4 zombies, but with a shotgun you can kill like 25. So that's why it looks in the settings, it searches how much ammo we get from the start, and it adds a respective ammo value. So like for saved off it will add like 10 bullets, but for the pistol like 30, because pistol is less effective. And then we check, when we add this up, we check if our ammo already added up is more than our max ammo on the weapon we're holding. And if it's more than that, if it's more, we just set it equal to our max ammo, because we can't have more ammo than our max ammo, obviously. And for now we play just self.fx sound gun pickup. But for the our ammo box it gets a bit interesting. We got this for loop. For weapon is self.player.weapons values. Why so values, and what does it do? Well, this values command actually gets, one second. See, this gets the keys of the list, and list key is this, and list value is this. So when we have our ammo, like when we're working on our ammo, our list key becomes P2K. So our list key here is list value here, but our list value here becomes the amount of bullets, it's a number. So we get basically the values of the weapon bullets, and then we see if this value is less than the max ammo. Like basically we check for each weapon we currently have, we check for its ammo, and we check if each weapon has maximum ammo. So if it has less, only all this will work. If everything like is equal to max ammo, nothing will work. So you won't be able to pick the ammo package up. And if it's less, we just add to each of our weapons. You see self.player.ammo respective weapon here. And yeah, I explained it a little bit bad, because here we just choose our player weapons values. So we get this, our pistol type, because over here this value is used here as a key, and then we use it basically here, as you can see, as a key. So that's why it's written values here. And then we add to each weapon, we add the amount of ammo that like every weapon has from the start. So again, a respective amount of ammo is basically given to a respective weapon. And same here, for each weapon we check if it exceeds the max ammo. If it does, then we set it equal to max ammo. Only then we kill the hit, because why not? I decided to just put it here, because that's what I decided to do. And we play the effect sound here, but we play them in this if clause, because if we play them here, it's gonna play them constantly because it's a for loop. But here we check if we actually can pick this up or can't. If you're gonna put this here, the sound just gonna constantly play while you are colliding with the ammo box. So that's why this must be here and only here. Okay, and as you saw, I had a little HUD update here. It's actually incredibly easy to add. You just go down to our where is it? Draw current gun, and just add the text ammo here. We just add this here, we align it basically, and then we just like near the ammo add the bullet amount of a respective weapon we choose right now. So when the pistol, it shows the pistol ammo, but when I pick up the shotgun, it shows the shotgun ammo, and I can change that the respective ammo will be always shown on here. I divided this into two categories without just like writing this, for example, because if I do this, basically depending on the number of the bullets, the ammo word will move left to right. I didn't want that. I want it to be stationary. So that's why I divided it into two sections. So that's basically all of the code for the reloading mechanic. Now I'll show you how it all works and looks like. First I just pick up all of the weapons. Okay, so now we have all of the weapons. We have our chat here. It's written how much amount we have. If I shoot, the amount of bullets decreases. And now, for example, let me pick up an ammo box. One ammo box. Check the changes. See, it added 60 to the pistol, 20 to the shotgun, and I believe it's 90 for the rifle. And if I collide with it one more time, shotgun has maximum, pistol has maximum, shotgun is 2 away from the maximum, and rifle is like 42 away from the maximum. And if I pick this up again, everything's full. I cannot pick this up anymore. Every bullet is full. We can't have more bullets at all. And basically, if we go straight over here to where our small bullets are located, we can't pick them up easier because everything is maxed. But if I shoot, for example, some bullets of the rifle, some shotgun bullets also, and some pistol bullets. Now, if you can see, one second, I'm shooting a bit. If I'm holding a pistol and I pick up these bullets, only a pistol, like only bullets added only to the pistol, and everything else is just fine. And if I choose the shotgun, same here, and if I choose the AK, same here. And I even can pick it up again, even though I have 2 bullets left, because that's how I made it. So you can just like, you need to manage and always control the amount of your bullets, or you'll waste some of the valuable ammo that will be actually really, like, not rare, but really like essential and valuable in this game. So see, I'm shooting with rifle. I just shot like 45 bullets for 3 zombies. Because it takes like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. It takes 9 bullets to kill a zombie, so that's why the AK should have more bullets, while the shotgun takes only 2. And even when you shoot at him once, you can just like kill him with the pistol then, so that's how it works. So I think it turned out actually really balanced and really good, and that's exactly the way I want it to work. And also that's how it works because I don't have enough skill for a good reloading thing. And yeah, that's basically all there is for the limited ammo. And as always, if you want to download all of that, it's gonna be in the link in my description on my GitHub, so you can easily get these images and the code if you are tired writing it or something like that. So yeah, that's pretty much it. So that's all there is to this video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you like this type of content. This channel's videos are gonna be expanding like crazy soon, so make sure not to miss it. Also leave a comment down below suggesting an idea or asking some question. All the useful links are in the description below, and I'll see you very soon. Bye!